how to reset the service light when it comes on. You can see there, service. This is a 2004 Volkswagen Passat. We're going to show you how to reset it with the launch CRP 429C sorted. Okay, so we've got ignition on. We're just going to go reset. Oh, it's doing this again. Let me get this properly set up. Right, so we're going to go to reset, and then we got oil, and then we just go OK. Now, I'm not sure on this one if you have to do it manually or it can be done with the computer. This will tell you anyway. If it can't be done by pressing a button on the scan tool, it will tell you how to do it by pressing buttons inside the motor. So just let it do what it needs to do. There's a number, and we'll just go automatic, see if we can do it. There we go. So we'll do the 7,500 kilometers. Bish bash bosh. It's resetting everything for us. Press the button, sorted. Turn the ignition off, turn the ignition back, and boom, there we go. How easy is that? Done, sorted, boom. So look, thanks for watching, hope it helps. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. This was the launch CRP 429C. How easy it is to reset a service light. So look, hope it helps. Please like, share, subscribe, comments up here, down below. But most importantly, don't forget, get your hands dirty. See you for the next one. Sorted.